Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. My quick tip today is about the linen thread. I absolutely love using it. It coordinates beautifully with my crumb cake cardstock for a really nice masculine or natural look. But when you pull it off of here, you get a lot of these little kinks inside the linen thread. And if you're making a bow, I often find it cumbersome. So let me just show you how we can remedy that. I just cut a little bit of that linen thread, and you are going to use a baby wipe. So I'm going to go ahead and pull one of those out, and I'm going to fold it in half, and you are going to run the linen thread through the baby wipe. By getting it just a little bit damp from the wipe, you're able to actually straighten out the thread. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Now I don't have to worry about those kinks on my project anymore, and it was resolved really simple with a baby wipe. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you are interested in purchasing Stampin' Up! Products, I would be more than happy to send you a complimentary copy of the catalog. Just leave me a comment below. Thanks so much for joining me today, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next week for another quick tip. Have a great day.